Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Uxtsuki. In this video, I'm going to talk about things. The first one is about mood board. Well, you know that video that I talked about reference, visual library, and etc. Mood board is something really close to what a reference board is. The difference is mainly about what is going on in the board. In the reference board, you may actually have a lot of different things that are not connected to each other. But the mood board, usually you are seeking for cohesion between the reference. When you're, for example, making a game or making pixel art about plants, and you might actually have a lot of groups of different plants actually setting up a mood or like a theme of your pixel art. So maybe how the leaves looks like, how the color and the lights, the shape of the plants, and so on, and they are actually grouped together. So this mood board is important in order to feel where you want to go with your art piece. There is also a method called closing doors, and this is from that video from Riot Games. That is when you have a lot of ideas from brainstorming, which idea you should go with and not feel overwhelmed by infinite possibilities. Well, there is this closing door method. That is actually you have a list of ideas and you pick your favorite one and you explore this idea more specifically and deeply, and you are actually building your direction, your path into a very specific thing. So this method is really good to pick an idea and not feel overwhelmed by all the possibilities out there. The second subject of this video is about limitation. Well, limitation, constraints, restrictions, all of this is something that looks like a bad thing, obviously, in real life. But in our case of world building, gaming, art, narratives, these restrictions actually are good things because they force ourselves to achieve some results with this constraint. And usually when we solve this thing, we use creativity. So creativity is not emerged by your infinite possibilities, even though it is possible. Creativity is more about if you are limited, if you are constrained, if you are chained into bad things or anything, how can you achieve other things with this such weight in your ankles? This is what creativity usually flourish more, and I think it is a good way to exercise your creativity. So in pixel art we are limited by a lot of things, by the size, by the colors, and how we use the creativity in it is actually to go around all these restrictions. So in size we condense details, and the color palette we use color rules rather than infinite colors, relationship and harmonization of the colors as well. This video is very short. It's just to highlight these two things, that is the mood board and closing doors method and creativity. Alright, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.